Welcome guys to your channel Engineering Today. Are you aware that you can convert any Microsoft file type into any format instantly with AI? It's very simple, no more to visit and search multiple websites on the internet. You can follow the steps in our video to convert JPG file to PDF file type. We have made one prompt for AI to convert JPG file to PDF file that has been copied in this text file. I want you to create a website for an online image to PDF converter. Use HTML, CSS and Java for this. And some additional advanced features like PDF page spread or border editing options and more. Use free resources and website should be functional within HTML, CSS and Java. Don't go out of this. This prompt can be used in various AI coding and research-based tools. We will go by ChatGPT 4.0 version. Now log in your ChatGPT site and copy-paste this prompt. Enter this prompt. It will process this prompt instantly. This coding is having three sections: HTML, CSS and Java. HTML provides the upload interface, border options, and page layout selection. CSS styles the converter to look clean and user-friendly. JavaScript uses JSPDF, free library, to convert uploaded images into a PDF entirely in the browser. Now ChatGPT has provided all the coding for this web generation. Now create a new folder on the desktop. Name it PDF. Open this folder and create one text file in it. Now copy code from ChatGPT and paste it in this text file. Go to File, then Save As and select all file types and name it as index.html. Save it and close this text file. Now in the same folder, click on index file name. Now you can see web window is created for JPG to PDF file conversion. Choose any JPG file from your computer or laptop. You can see it has converted JPG to PDF file and this is available in Downloads folder in your laptop. In the same way you can convert multiple file types into other file type with the use of AI. Thank you friends for watching. If you liked this video, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, Engineering Today.